Welcome to the training on Occupational Health, Environment and Safety. Let us start with a module on hazardous materials. Before we begin, let's take a look at the key learning objectives. After completing this module, you will be able to identify and list biological and chemical hazards, list the harmful effects of biological and chemical hazards, explain and demonstrate how to avoid biological and chemical hazards. Let us first know what is biological hazard and the common biological hazards. Biological hazards are biological agents that have the capacity to cause harmful effects in humans. Common biological hazards include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Now, let us see occupations in people who are prone to biological hazards. Healthcare: doctors, nurses, lab assistants. Research: scientists and research associates. Agriculture: farmers. Animal or veterinary practices: veterinary doctors, lab assistants, and helpers. Let us know about mode of transfer and harmful effects of biological hazards. In general, the major entry routes of these microorganisms into our body are inhalation, breathing, ingestion or swallowing, absorption through body fluids of the infected person. The harmful effects posed to human health by these biological hazards are infections, allergy, poisoning. Let us learn the ways to prevent biological hazards. Click images to know more. Personal hygiene: wash your hands regularly. Do not ingest contaminated water. Avoid contact. You can avoid all contact with blood or bodily fluids and avoid direct contact with an infected person. Precaution and protection: vaccination, usage of personal protective equipment like gloves, masks, etc., covering the mouth while coughing, bandaging open cuts or broken skin, not sharing shaving sets, makeup sets, footwear and clothes with an infected person. Avoid tattooing and body piercing.